everyone, welcome to my crochet nook. My name's Linda and I do a little bit of knitting, I do a little bit of crocheting. I'm a member of the Yarny Fibre Sisters and I'm also a member of the Challengers. And today I have some happy mail from Hobbii. Woo-hoo! Now, you all know that I am absolutely cotton mad. I love cotton acrylic blend and I love cotton. And what I'm in the process of doing is gradually dwindling down all my acrylic yarn and replacing it with acrylic cotton blend because I enjoy working that the most. So, I do believe this is cotton. So, let's see. Sorry for the noise, guys, while I get into it. So, oops. So, what have I got? Let's see. I got the receipt here. Oh, I got a freebie set of buttons. And would you believe this is the order I placed on Saturday, and I've still got another order that I placed on Thursday that I'm still waiting for. So, okay. So, we have got three skeins of cotton ribbon. I've got the white, let me see, I've got the white, the dusky pink, and I've got the grey, because I've never worked with this before and I wanted something new to work with. And then, you know, my Yarny Fibre Sisters and I, we did, one Saturday we talked all about cotton and that, and they were telling me, showing me cottons that they liked, and I've never purchased it. Oh, I got some yummy yummies, and I got one of these toffees, so that's good. It says I got, oh yeah, so that was my free gift. Right, okay, so I've got some Cotton Kings. Okay, so this one, and now they're all the same, just different colours. So the Cotton Kings print, and they are, this is lot number 6, this is called Dover, and this is all, they're all 50 grams, 170 meters, 185 yards, 100% cotton. So that's Dover. I've got 2 of these because these are one of my favourites, and this is called Beaumont. Then I've got 2 of these, and this is called, what number is this? 25. This is called Tamworth. And then this is called, what's this one called? Colour 22. And what I like, it's got a centre pull, guys. You know me and centre pulls. So this is colour 22 and this is Savoy. Then we've got colour number 111, and this is, oh, colour 111. That's not here. Oh, sorry, colour 20 is Berry Pomeray. And then we've got colour 27, which is the blues. 27 is Bodium. Then we've got this colour, which is this colour, which is all the greens, which is Mitford. And last but not least, we've got colour 21, which is Buckingham. So yeah, so that's getting my cotton up nicely. And these are a 1 weight yarn. I really like them, really nice and scarfable, but they're nice. And yeah, so I need to now that I've seen that I've got the colours and that, I'm going to get colours to go with them. So these are going to be kind of accents, so I need to get a colour, a green, a blue, I think I want a beige, I want a burgundy for that one, and then I want a nice grey for them, and for this one I want a nice dusky pink, and then for this one I want a purple, and then for this one I want I think I'll get like a lime green for this one to go with this one. So now that I've got the colours and I kind of know I can, you know, get a couple of accent colour, this is going to be accent, so get a couple of other colours to go with it for projects that I've got in mind. I know they're 1 weight, but you all know that I love 1 weight, 2 weight and possibly 3 weight too. So that is all from me today. I have got some lovely yummies and I can't wait to try this. And this is a bulky 6, so it's going to be interesting. I'd really like to make some baskets with this, so we'll see how it goes, guys. I'll let you know how I get on. So take care, stay safe, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and you get all them little confettis, and take care of yourselves, stay safe, and until next time, bye for now.